In this short, let's try to learn the concept of data encoding. Let's say we are having an equation with input features city and grade. Using these two input features, we are creating an equation that is y equal to theta naught plus theta 1 into city plus theta 2 into grade. These two input features are looking like this, and this is our output feature. And here, if we see the data that is present in our data set, in city, there are 4 different cities, that is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Vizag, and Chennai. So these are the 4 different cities that we are having. And in grade, we are having 4 different values, that is A, B, C, and D, right? Basically, what happens is the model expects numerical values in place of city and grade. That is because these data are some numerical values. And in general, if it is a numerical value, it expects it to be multiplied with some numerical value, right? So that's why the model expects that these all values will be some numbers. But here, if you see, these are strings and characters. The model really doesn't understand what to fit or what to do when there is a string or some character. At that time, what we'll be doing, we'll be replacing these strings with some numbers. That means we are doing some kind of data encoding. Okay. And how we'll be doing this data encoding? We'll be assigning numbers, random numbers. We can assign 1, 3, 2, and 4. This random assignment of numbers is simply called as label encoding. And here, if you see in grade also, we can do the same. But the problem of using this label encoding in case of grade is we know that A, B, C, D carry some value. Like let's say some child comes to you and says that I got A grade, then you will praise him. And similarly, if he says D grade, then you'll say next time, try to do it better way, right? Means all these are having some specific values. So that is the reason we will assign in some order. We know that this is the order that is following. So similarly, while assigning also, we'll follow some specific order, like assign 1, 2, 3, and 4, or we can assign in reverse order also. This way of assigning in some specific order is called as ordinal encoding. With the use of ordinal encoding, we'll tell in the same way to the model in which how we think. That is about label and ordinal encoding. If you want more details, you can check the linked video to this particular short.